Guys, this is Riley. This is my friend Caitlin. We're going to be doing the play-doh and shopkin disappear thing. I don't know what it's called. So, we're going to take one of ours. Take it. We've actually figured out a bunch of names, but we have a list of season 4. So, we don't have season 3 right now. Well, we do have season 3 shopkins, but we don't know where the season 3 list is. Apparently.
Yeah, I lost it.
Okay, let's go.
These are my shopkins.
I would have brought my own. Oh, who did I get? Who did I get? I got something. I got the lip balm.
And I got dumpling. Humpty Dumpling. This is Humpty Dumpling. I know it right off the bat.
I don't know mine. Where's the list?
The list.
That's
season 3.
This is season 3.
You can check though.
I'm getting scared because I don't know where all these shopkins are because I don't have them.
Well, let me see your shopkin.
Season 3. It's a lip balm. I just know that.
Yeah, it's all torn up, but
Over there. Over there.
if you know what this shopkin is,
It's the lip balm. I just know that.
It's a lip balm. We'll
Let me
set
see.
our shopkin.
And we're gonna turn it like right here, so everybody knows.
We'll just set them behind, just on top of the Play-Doh.
Sit them behind the Play-Doh because whenever we get rid of the
Play-Doh, you'll see them.
okay, there.
Let's
Scoot them like
extra Play-Doh
way
inside
back
them.
though. We need to come like way back. Okay, we're gonna do our next one. Let's go. Ooh, I got chocolate.
I got Cinnabon.
I don't know who this is either.
Let me see.
Chocolate.
That's an eraser.
Oh.
It's a season 3. Season 3.
Okay.
Let's see. I knew the name.
Okay, if you guys know the eraser's name, please comment down in the comment section below.
Cinnabon. Super cute.
I love Cinnabon. Okay, next one.
Yellow ones.
She has 4. I only have 3. So
Yeah, they're a random amount.
okay, go. Oh, I got Jiggly Jelly, the limited edition.
Really? I don't think that. Are you sure that's limited edition?
Well, it's not limited edition. I'm just gonna say it's the rare one.
The rare.
I got the purple Jiggly Jelly.
We have
Jiggly.
this is a season
Jiggly
4.
Jelly.
Wait, what's it saying?
Jiggly Jelly.
Riley, go get the paper.
I'll get it. It's like the it's syrup. It's right there.
It is big topping.
No, it's
Big topping.
it's maple syrup.
No, it's big topping. See?
Oh, okay.
That
I'm stupid.
This is big topping.
Do your next one, Missy.
Okay.
Okay, then we're gonna ask you something after this.
This
What'd you
one is a
Donut.
donut slash thingy, like where you have a croissant and then gosh, not a croissant, a bagel, and then you make it into a sandwich.
Let me see.
Right here.
You got Bagel Billy.
Bagel Billy.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. Comment down in the comment section below for episode 2. Like and subscribe, please.
Yeah, part 2 is going to be next.
Thank you, guys. I love you so much. Isn't that right, Caitlin?
Yes.
Comment down in the comment section below for the next episode. Thank you. Goodbye. Actually, I meant part 2. Love you guys and goodbye.